Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to track crypto whales and wallets so you can find crypto whale wallets. So the first place I would go is Whale Alert, number one leading blockchain transaction data provider in the world. So this is where I actually get my data from whales basically, so you can monitor trending markets also and manage your risk management here and enhance your strategies. So they have a lot of blockchains that they support to track wallets here in whalealert.io. So 10 plus major blockchains, 200 track cross blockchains, and 10 billion transactions analyzed since the first Bitcoin transaction. So there's also millions of addresses attributed to 400 entities. So here you can also track stable coins basically right here, as you can see, USDC, USDC, and many much more. So you can follow them on Telegram, which they also have other things that you can do there. So of course, this is a paid service. It's not free. So you have alerts, quantitative and historical right here. So here in alerts, you can see that you can create your own custom alerts. This is the best one I would go with. So you can create a personalized portfolio on tracking whales. So if you don't have the bang for buck, you can also go with DBank. So this is going to be based on the Web3 community. It's going to be the DeFi community basically. You can track any whales portfolio right here. As you can see, there's already some examples right here. We can just go ahead and check it out right now. So we have Anon right here. So here's his address right here. Here's his portfolio. And here you can see his TVF. So if you don't know what that means, it's going to be written right here. So as you can see right here, he has around 26,000 Ethereum. And I'm not going to mention the rest basically, but he has a lot on Polygon and Mode, even BitLayer, and even Base, as you can see. You even have Arbitrum, Fractal, Linea, Mantle. It's very distributed across a lot of blockchains. So DBank is really good for cross-chain activities right here for crypto tracking for whales basically. So basically DBank and Whale Alert is the best place to go for tracking crypto whales in the DeFi and in the crypto community.